Alright, good morning, fuckers. I gotta make this a roller today. I'm just gonna try to put the hub or the knuckles and the old hubs back on, just make it a roller so I can put it up on a trailer. That's the goal for the day. I got everything, like I said in my last video. If you didn't see that, I got everything. I got every bushing, everything, every part I need for this car I got. Besides coilovers, I need new coilovers because these CX are kind of junk, and I need calipers. Which, I mean, I guess I can rebuild the calipers, but that's pretty much it. That's what I'm gonna do today. Make this a roller and get it on the trailer. I'll see you guys in a minute. So it's putting all the old stuff back on to just make it a roller is not gonna work, guys, because the bolts are just so fucked up that I can't get the nuts on. The threads on the old ball joints and just the lower control arms are just all bent and everything. It's a nightmare. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all back to, or put all the new shit on, just on the front to get it to roll. Like I said, it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but I'm gonna try to get it done today. I gotta clean these knuckles out. That's all I got. I ain't got a big one, so it's gonna take a minute to get all the rust off of this, and then put the hubs in, put the lower control arms on, and then I'm just gonna roll it up on a trailer. I'm not gonna do axles or tie rods or anything today, which kind of sucks, kind of stupid. I should do axles, but I got the hubs off, so I don't have to take the hubs back off to do axles. But it's gonna suck ass. I don't know. I might put the axles in today. We'll see how it goes. All right, boys. There they are, all shined up. I gotta put the hub bearings in. I mean, if this was Tommy's channel, you know, it'd probably be new, which I don't know. He'd probably at least send them off to the powder coaters. I just cleaned them up. Realistically, you're never gonna see these again. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna put a bunch of angle on this car. I mean, you can't drift a 3000 GT. There's no need for you to ever see the knuckle again. It's done right. That's what I care about. And I mean, I'm sure most of you already know. I care about it. It's got to be done right, 100%. I can't justify spending $5 grand on just powder coating shit. You know what I mean? I give it to Tommy. Tommy's the shit, but I just can't do it. If you want to see that, and you don't know him already, go check out Tommy's channel. It's Tommy F, yeah. Okay, I lied again. I'm not putting these ones on. I'm just gonna put the old ones on because the new ones did not come with the studs. They didn't come with the studs that run through these, or the bolts. The ones that are on the car. Alright, let me try to explain this. I mean, most of you should understand. The ones that are on the car got studs. They come out of here. These ones are bolts, which I don't have. So, and I'm just not gonna reuse old fucking hardware. That's junk. So, we're just going back to the A-arms are gonna be new, and I'm just gonna put all the old shit back on, which like grinds my fucking teeth when I say that. But I just gotta get it a roller and get it on the trailer, and then everything's gonna come back off. Alright, guys, the vr4 is almost back together, being a roller. Alright, well, let's get to the part that you guys really clicked on this video for. Which car is going to Tommy? Alright, me and Tommy worked out a deal. He's coming to get one of my cars. You guys will know the deal eventually. People that have been following my channel, you guys know that this was kind of just an impulse buy. I know everybody loves it, but you ever hear like don't drive your heroes? I was all about it. And then I don't know, I don't like the rear steering, that's for sure, 100%. Higas needs done, subframes need done on this. You guys think he's taking this to do all the subframes? He talked about that in his last video, that when he was here. What about the 3000 GT VR4? This definitely, if you've been following my channel, knows that it needs all like subframes completely out, cleaned up, powder coated, bushings put back in. Poly bushings is what I want. I'm not as hardcore as Thomas. I'm not gonna go solid steel bushings. It's running a lot better since I've done it. Plugs and wires on it. It was breaking out real bad. For those of you that don't know, this is a VR4 twin turbo all-wheel drive. This was my favorite car when I was younger. I love these, especially the 99s. I just loved them. But these just got that It's got active aero for, if you didn't know, this wing will move a good, you can see right there, it'll move a good, what, inch? 3/4 of an inch up and down. And then there's a front lip that moves too. There's that black lip right there will drop down and force more air into the radiator and suck you to the ground more. Or do you think he's gonna take the Z? Leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think he's gonna get. I mean, for those of you that know Tommy, you guys know he loves this Mercedes. But you also know he loves to do subframes, and I got two cars that need both subframes dropped, both subframes powder coated, both subframes with new bushings, everything, control arms. So leave it in the comments what you guys think he's gonna take. Alright, there it goes. Say goodbye. Alright guys, she's taking off. The classic VR4 is going away. This thing's gonna be decked out, I promise you. I have the lift. Alright, it's in here. Gives you a little bit better perspective on how big the garage is, I guess. You see I can fit another car pretty much behind it. You can pull that up a little bit. 2 cars there, 3 cars there, 3 cars here. There we go. Monster trucking. I had to jack it all the way up so I could get up on the truck. The springs, I had to raise them. Or the coilovers I put all the way down in the lowest position, which makes the tire come out. You guys know what the fuck I'm talking about. I had to raise the car up on the front. So it's here. It's sick. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. This house has also got a 2-car attached garage, which I think I could probably fit 3, especially of like the GTR and the FD. And maybe like the Mercedes or something. But the FD, when Tommy finally gets that moving, would definitely be in here. That's my baby. I was even thinking about getting a 4-post lift so I could put it up in the air and then put the GTR under it. You know what I mean? Like right over here in this corner. Just get like one of them 4-post lifts. So, I don't know. I already ended the video before this, so this is the real ending. I'll see you guys tomorrow or something.